Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Friends, welcome back to my channel. We will see EA1 3-pin SMD IC equivalent. Go to Google, type here SMD unit.1. Here is a table. Locate EA, the first two digits. Here is EA. Open it. EA1. If it is 3-pin SOT23, first confirm the package, what is the width, length and height of the component. If it is SOT23, that means it is -1 volt plus minus 1.5% linear voltage regulator IC, and this is part number IXD 4902 and 101. The next EA1, that is SOT89, then another SOT23, it is LM431, it is voltage reference IC. We need to check its size, either it is SOT23 or some other parameter. Take measurements with vernier calipers and check it. The next EA1, that is XC6902 101 MR-G, it is also -1.0 volt regulator. The another package SOT89, it is also 1 volt regulator. For more surety, we must confirm the size. We can also verify from s-manual, s-manuals.com. Come to marking SMD, and here is EA. Check here, might be EA1 is there. So SMD.unit.1, that is providing much more components. Here it is not showing EA1. Alltransistors.com, SMD code. SMD code EA1. In EA1, it is showing LM431 BN, that is voltage reference. Then EA1, it is linear voltage regulator IC. So using these part numbers, we can verify the circuit, how the circuit is configured. Either it is voltage regulator or voltage reference. We can check datasheet for these part numbers. We can also check alldatasheets.com. alldatasheets.com. Select from here marking EA1. Search. So here we can see it is showing SMD marking EA1, that is 431 voltage reference, AZ431 voltage reference. Using these SMD marking tools, smd.unit.1 or s-manual or alldatasheet.com, we can identify the part number, but first we need to check the package. I think the video is informative. If it is informative, hit the like button. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.